Welcome to Always Dolls, and thanks so much for joining us. You may have noticed we took a little break from our channel, but we are happy to be back again sharing fun DIYs with the AG community. Let's jump straight into the holiday season with a video showing you how to make your dolls a delicious Christmas Yule log cake. It would mean a lot if you hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss a new DIY. For this craft, we are using Fimo Airlight clay since we can speed up the drying time with a microwave. To make the chocolate sponge layer, we are going to tint our clay with brown paint. Squeeze a drop or two directly onto the clay and knead. This Reeves brand is highly pigmented, so you don't need much, but you may have to add more depending on the paint you use. For the cake, you will need equal portions of brown and white clay. Roll your clay out into rectangles about 8 cm wide by 20 cm long. Since Fimo Airlight is drier than most clays, we misted our chocolate strip with water before layering the white one on top. This will help the clay stick together better during the rolling process. Now gently fold over the short edge and begin rolling your clay into a log shape, being careful not to squish the layers too much. Next, we used a Stanley knife blade, but you could also use a piece of string pulled taunt to slice off a piece from the front and back of the log. You want to texture all the chocolate layers of the cake and cake slices. Using a needle tool or sewing pin, swirl it through the clay to mimic the fluffy texture of sponge cake. Take one of your slices and mist the messy backside with water to attach it to the side of the log. Use your finger to smooth the clay where the pieces join. Next, set the clay in the microwave following the package instructions. In just a few minutes, our cake and cake slice are dried hard with no shrinkage. Before frosting, we chose to mask off the inside areas of the cake with low-tack tape. Then use more tape to connect our individual slice to the front of the log. Here, we used brown deco cream bought off eBay. Generously squeeze out lines of the product onto the cake. We will spread the cream with this rippled plastic tool from a cheap Kmart air-dry clay kit. You could also use a plastic knife like the one you take to a picnic, so long as it's not too sharp. Drag your tool through the deco cream, moving in one direction to spread it evenly from front to back. Clean off any excess cream from your tool, then run it through the product again, using a little more pressure so the lines or the bark of the log are more prominent. To clean up any overspill, use a piece of paperboard and wipe it over the surface, pushing the cream back. Before the product sets, detach your slice from the log. It's time to decorate. We are going to use bits from this fake styrofoam holly bush. Place clusters of berries at the join of the log along with some sprigs. If you find your deco cream is setting too quickly, apply some liquid glue to your embellishments to ensure they adhere securely. When decorating, aim to make a visual triangle, adding berries to the back edge of the cake and to your individual slice as well. For even more Christmas cheer, tap drops of liquid glue over the cake, berries and leaves, then coat with white glitter to mimic sugar. This step is super fun and effective. Gently blow off the excess glitter, then peel away your low-tack tape to reveal your perfectly textured cake. We plated our Yule log on an Our Generation serving dish. The blue checkered pattern contrasts nicely with the rich chocolate colour of our cake. As you can see, the slices fit perfectly on an AG size plate. Have lots of fun making and serving your dolls this yummy Christmas treat. Once again, thanks for joining us today, and see you soon for more miniature Christmas crafting fun.